So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. Coming to the next question, an hexagonal pyramid 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its edges of the base. So this forms the first condition, which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. This goes to the third condition. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degree. This will be our second condition. So to begin with, go to line, take the suitable line type and width. So click here, given side is 25. Always start up with horizontal line, 25 0 degree, 25 60 degree, 25 120 degree, 25 180 degree, 25 minus 120 degree, 25 minus 60 degree. Next, since it is an edge condition, go to rotate, select this particular, select one edge and make it vertical. So after selecting this, you can move this to suitable place. Next, identify the center by joining the diagonals. After joining this, go to naming, text, click here. This is A, B, C, D, E, and F. When it comes to the center, this is O of O1. Next, we have completed with the top view. To get a front view, take a suitable line width, that is the least 0.13, and project from all the corners. Always ensure you raise the height from the center itself. Raise the height by taking suitable axis line. The given height is 50. So after raising this, immediately you can go to the type of the line, take the suitable width, that is 0.50, and join this way. After joining this, one thing you need to remember, this O to B edge covers the axis, so I will be covering this. Next, go to smart dimension. You can show this dimensions. Go to text, type here. From the front view, A, B, C is clearly visible. D, E, F is not visible. So this is A dash of F dash, and this is B dash of E dash, and this is C dash of D dash. Next, when it comes to axis, this is O1 dash and this is O dash. So go to select option, just click here. You can relocate this accordingly. Next, select this front view. Go to move command, switch on the copy and ensure you move with an endpoint and place it on XY line. Next, go to rotate option, click this endpoint and opposite endpoint. Since given is 45 degree, so 90 minus the given angle, it remains 45. So click this way, immediately go to angle between and just check once by clicking on horizontal and an axis line. So it is 45 degree, this is correct. Next, go to axis, go to projection line, project from all the points. So after projecting this from the top view, from the front view to top view, from this project to the right side, have a look. E is somewhere here, E meets here, and F is here. So I will click intentionally once here and once again here. Next, when it comes to O, I will click here once. This is O1 point. Next, from here, click here once and here to meet the points. And again from this, B is here to meet B here. Go to trim and trim this extra part. Next, go to the naming. You can text or else go to the move option. Switch on the copy. Select this. A is here. A falls somewhere here. And B is here. C is here. T meets here. E is here. And F is here. After all these things, you need to join the boundary part. So it should be continuous, 0.50 thick. So the boundary starting from here. This is the boundary. So meet all these boundaries points. And again, come to text. This is O1 and this is O point. After meeting this, so from this top view, O to F is clearly visible and O to A is also clearly visible. So go to line command, take suitable width. O to A is clearly visible. O to F is also clearly visible. So once it is done, zoom this part, go to line command, take the dotted. Since this base part is not visible, join this with the dotted line. So after completing this part, select this particular to satisfy the third condition. Click this and place it here. So after placing this, go to rotate command, click this endpoint and this endpoint, 90 minus the given angle. So it is, you can place this way or this way. I'm following this method such that this apex is nearer to XY line. So after placing this way, immediately go to angle between, click on this line and XY line, the resting edge. So you will get 30 degree. Next, take the suitable line that is continuous and 0.13 least value. So start projecting this to the right side. Next, zooming this, we know that the resting falls on XY line. Next, this point B, falls somewhere here. So missed with E, so I'm placing this. Go to line command. E is here and E is here, it meets somewhere here. Next, F is here, F meets here, EA is here, and again it meets here. So once this is done, the axis part, which falls somewhere here. Next, projecting this to meet this particular, project this way, and from this, trim this extra part. You can also perform this operation by using alignment indicator. So since base part is clearly visible, you can go with that procedure, or else you can go for a naming. So this is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, this is D dash, this is E dash, and this is F dash, and this is O1 dash, and this is O dash. So now go to line, take the suitable continuous line and 0.50. Here the boundary part is O, B. So for convenience, we'll zoom this further, and C, D, E, F, and again O. Since the base part is clearly visible, so highlight this, highlight this boundary part. Next, as I told, a point which is not dividing the base, you can directly join with the continuous line. So from O to A, it is not dividing the base, so it is directly continuous line. And have a look, this C is dividing the base, so I will take this a dotted line, and again E is also dividing, and D is also dividing, and go to the line, may take the axis line and the least value 0.13 and join this axis part. So this completes the problem.